Okay, guys, small show of what is done so far. We have territory image path, the icon offset, which means normal icon position of your PvE, PvP, raid, state icon, plus the offset, right? So it is next to it or above it, you can set it. And then we have the territory icon color. We do have the enable draw expansion territories, show expansion territory, members count as admins, so only admins can see the members count, and check expansion territories, plus the color for it. So when we go into the game, you see I have two icons in the center, very bottom, above my shortcut bar, sorry. And now when I change the offset, for example, right here, to be 20, it will move to the right of the PvE shield icon. So let's reload. Boom. Now it's to the right. When we go and change the Y, it will go to the bottom. So we maybe need to put in here minus, then reload, and it goes up. Right? You see, this is the and also this is the territory flag icon from expansion, the yellow one, which I put in territory image path, which is territory, or just use my icons I made. So what this shows now is this is the radius of the territory. And then it will show the name, which is test TTTT. This is just for testing, and the member count is 1 of 10, which is me. So when I go and open up the expansion settings, let me search it really quick on my server. Profiles, mod settings, territory settings. You can see that we have a radius of 1,500 meters, and the max members is 10. So it pulls the values from expansion settings, right? And then it checks how many members are in this territory. And currently, if you open the territory manager, you will see it is test ID 0, and we have one member, it's level 1, and it's just me here, right? Okay. So this is currently it is all I have added, and how it works. It puts the members count, the max members for the admin. It's showing that we can reload it. We can change the color in the main config. So we can change the icon color. Currently it's yellow. We can, I don't know, put a random number in here, reload, and you see now it's white because the color is now real color. Let's use the same color as the raid. Reload. Boom. It's now purple. Switch back to yellow. Then what we can do is change the icon, but I won't show that now. The position we already did show you, or yeah, I did show you, sorry. And the icon position is needed for this because we use the offset based on the icon position X and Y, right? We can't change the size of it. So yeah, I maybe add this later. Now we can enable territory flag zones. Has nothing to do with that. So what we can change is drawing the expansion territory set to 0. So when I set it to 0 and we reload, it will not draw that anymore. So change it back to 1 and reload, and it's getting drawn now. Also, if we check expansion territories set to 1, we will check the expansion territories. If it's set to 0, we won't check it. Sorry, it's already really late here. My brain is not really working anymore. So when we go in and out of the zone, out, we get the logs, territory state, change for survivor, that's me. And we have exited this territory test, right? We have no longer the icon, nothing is there. So now when we teleport back to the zone, to the territory, it will show entry. So we have entered, and it shows I am the owner. And for a member, it will show member, right? So when we go back to the settings and change the checking for 0 to 0, and we reload main configs, the checks is gone, but we have to exit it once. Let's go here. See, there's the first bug. This happens when you test stuff. We still retain the state, it seems. Main. Okay, so yeah, sorry for that, but yeah, it will no longer lock the territory. State changes, as you can see. So when the player relocks, the icon should be gone. So let's wait a bit. Back to connect. This is still beta. I need to fix this shit, of course. So the icon is now gone. Can use and teleport around. There's no logs, as you can see. Only that would change to PvE and that stuff. Now when we change it back to 1, save it, and we reload main, we are outside. Now when we go inside, territory. And yeah, we are still, even if we go into an airdrop, we are still in territory. We have still the icon. So when we go out, the icon is gone. Because the airdrop landed inside the territory, we still keep the territory state. Because the icon is showing up. The icon indicates that we are in our territory, right? So yeah, that's basically it.